The Spring Awakening composition combines fresh and vibrant hues to invoke the sensation of nature's resurgence after the long winter months. It typically includes moderate shades of green, pink, and yellow. Green symbolizes the revival of plants and trees, a hallmark of spring. The yellows can represent the warmer sunshine and blooming flowers, while pinks might stand for blossoms, those first delicate flowers that signal the arrival of spring. These softer hues evoke a refreshing and rejuvenating atmosphere and create a sense of buoyancy and positivity, much like a spring morning. The vibrant and refreshing Spring Awakening color palette can be beautifully adapted to a wide range of crochet products. This includes, but is not limited to, blankets and throws. A nicely crocheted blanket or throw in these colors can instantly bring the freshness of spring to your living space. Clothing. Add a splash of spring to your wardrobe with clothing items like scarves, shawls, cardigans, and beanies. For kids, consider crocheting adorable spring-themed baby clothes. Accessories. Use these colors to design handbags, hats, headbands, or even jewelry like earrings or necklaces for a pop of spring colors in your outfits. Home decor. Cushions, tea cozies, placemats, coasters, and table runners in the Spring Awakening colors can bring a fresh vibrancy to your meals and living spaces. Toys and amigurumi. Crocheted toys in spring colors can be a delightful gift for children. Remember, crochet is all about creativity and personal expression, so don't limit yourself to these suggestions. Use the Spring Awakening color palette in a way that best suits your aesthetic and the piece you are crafting.